Is it firm? Just test it. Test.
Sawa.
Iko sawa? Very fine.
Very fine.
Can it hold the heaviest curtain?
Very.
Yes, it was nice.
Say something.
Guys, now we are just doing the installation of the curtain rods. You can see we are doing the inverted the special brackets for the ceilings because we want this room to have the curtains with the eyelets. So guys, we shall show you the complete process once we are done. So let's just proceed with this work. And just a moment, guys. This thing to be perfect as we can, so that's why we want to measure this place. A bit dry up. Nice. So somewhere there. Then so first we do the center or the other side. Come, bring it.
Sorry, I do it.
I was suggesting these things, Guys, we don't want to have that on this side, so you can just remove Marwa stuff here. Carefully. So here I can just put it there. So guys, we are still in Marwa's room. Here we are doing the shears curtains. We are proceeding on well, despite a small interruption from the electricity. So as you can see, we have done the 2 brackets so far. So here we want to do a third bracket for stability. Remember I told you we are doing special brackets for this one. because here we want to use the highlights shears, the ones with the highlights, so that it will be easy for Marwa to draw the curtains. So stay tuned as we finalize on this room. Once we are done, we'll show you what we have done for the whole room. So remember to go to our YouTube channels there, Kasean Sounds, as you watch more, and you make sure you visit Timmy's Travels for more of these videos in this house. Thank you. So we've done the installation of the curtain rods. As you can see here, we've done a single curtain rod, a black rod as it was required. You can just show them what we've done to Marwa's room. And there's something I want to show you here. You can see here, we've done a special bracket. We have two options you can do this in this room. We can do the normal rail, the ones with the hooks. But because for this room, Marwa does not want something so complicated and something which is so busy, we opted for the inverted curtain rods so that you can use the curtains with the highlights. That's why you see, and we also followed your comments. We have reinforced on the center for the long windows. So now we are going to install the curtains, the shears, and we see how it will go. So Steve, maybe you have something to say about this one?
The main reason why we used the ceiling brackets is because to maintain the uniformity of the room. You see, when we do like a rail and then somewhere we do a rod, it will look somewhere because for the rail we'll be using hooks, and then for the rail we'll be using highlights.
And another thing, the rail mostly comes in white, and so we want to remain with the black theme. So that's why we see we can also. That's why we decided to do the black rods, so that at least we match with the house theme. So once we are done with the shears, we shall get back and we see how it will go. So guys, stay tuned. Remember, I'm Steven Kasese from Halftime Interiors. I do interior design, my passion, and my YouTube channel is Kasean Sounds. I do music by talent, but interior design I do by passion. So you can just go and check us on Facebook, Halftime Interiors. You can just go on TikTok, that's where we upload short clips on what we are doing and the houses we refurbish. You can just go and check our page and also our Instagram at Halftime Interiors. And maybe I can just say the other things we do. We do anything to do with interior design. That is curtains and shears. We also do the chairs, the seats, the couches, the outdoor furnitures and all that. If you go to our page, Uptime Interiors, and if you go to our TikTok, you'll see. We also do the painting, the paint jobs and all that. And but for me, my main specialist as a designer, I do the curtains and the curtain rods, sheer roller blinds and vertical blinds for the offices. So still guys, we are now installing the shears. As you can see, here we've done some more gathers, unlike the other room. And for those who don't understand by gathers, the folds, these are the folds, these are the gathers. For example, if your window measurement is like 2 meters, you just multiply by 2.5, you get 5 meters. If you want more gathers, you multiply by 3.5. And if you want the extremely good gathers, you multiply your size windows by 4. So that's what we have done here. This is a full 14 meters here. You can see. We are just proceeding with the installation of the shield. So guys, as you can see, it's flushing with the slab, and it's very easy to open. You can just open it like this. That's what Marwa wanted. And you can just close them easily, just like that. Guys, that's it. We've done the installation of the shears, this side and this side and the other side. So as you can see, to me they've come out as I expected, and you can see they are flashing with the tiles on the ground and on the slab. So that's it guys. You can just show them what you've done around, and that is it. Tomorrow we shall be back for the installation of the sunscreen roller blinds, blinders. So once we reach there, we shall show you on what we shall do, and then you guys will compare which is which. But we hope everything will go on as we plan. Remember guys, we come from East TV. I come from Halftime Interiors, and I'm too interior designed by passion. I'm a musician by talent, so you can just check my YouTube channel Kasian Sounds. To promote my channel there, you check our pages on Instagram, on Facebook and TikTok. That's Halftime Interiors. So you guys, we are grateful for the support you have been showing us since we started this journey. We hope everything will go on as planned. We are a bit tired, as you can see, so we just want to go get something to eat and then we freshen up, and we'll come back tomorrow for the installation of the sunscreen roller blinds, which we shall do on the sitting room. Then you guys will compare and tell us what you think. We are free, feel free, just tell us where we have done wrong, tell us where we have done well, and then that's how things work. So Steven, you have something to say? Come, you say if you have something to say. If you don't have something. Yeah, Steven, he says he's tired, he don't have something to say. So see you tomorrow for another episode at Marwa's Villa, Nyabohanse village, Medellin Villa. We want to make this villa the best villa in East Africa and maybe in the world. See you guys.